Hello students, this lesson we're looking at analysing the picture book, This Dog Bruce. We're learning today to analyse the picture book to identify key elements. What I'm looking for is completion of activities and uploading this to Moodle. We're doing this because you're required to construct a picture book and justification for assessment, and you need to be able to apply appropriate features to do that. What you'll need during this particular lesson is this video here that's going through the lesson activities, and you'll also need your worksheet. So you'll notice that the task one is about predicting and having a look at the front cover. That's called This Dog Bruce. And you need to answer the following questions. So what type of character might Bruce be? What age group might this book be aimed at? You'll notice that on your handout, which you can see here, you've got boxes that you can type straight into. So what type of character might Bruce be? You type straight into the blue box there. Also the age group that it is aimed at. So all of the activities from the lesson you can type straight into this worksheet. Make sure that you save it with your name in the file type, and then you can upload to Moodle so that we can check your understanding of the task. Okay, so that's the worksheet. We're going to go back and have a look at what you're expected to do. So the first task was about predicting, looking at the front cover. The second task is about a blurb analysis. So a blurb is a short description of a book or film written for promotional purposes. It appears on the back page of the book, in this instance here. So you're going to examine the blurb from This Dog Bruce and notice how it doesn't give away the story in its entirety. The blurb wants us to make readers guess what the story might be about, or what lesson might be learnt from reading the book as well. The blurb also identifies who the text is for. So, this dog Bruce comes sniffing along, wagging his tail and looking for fun. Bruce is a boisterous pup who is bouncy, so bouncy that his friends run away. Is there a game they can all play? Children will adore this wild romp, and parents will recognise a little bit of Bruce in every child. So that's what a blurb is. After you've done all of the lesson activities, you're going to do, and after you've read the book, you're going to rewrite the blurb, okay, keeping in mind the key elements above. So you're going to write another blurb for this book based on the content that's in the book, based on providing a bit of a preview but not giving away what's happening there. Okay, now we're going to pause this video here and we're going to go and read and watch the reading of the story, This Dog Bruce. So I will see you soon. Hope you enjoyed the story of This Dog Bruce. Now we're going to analyse the text. So you might need to read and view the story multiple times to be able to examine each of these elements that are on your handout. So we're going to be looking at the main characters in the story, the plot structure, which we've looked at in previous lessons, so title, orientation, complication, events, climax, resolution. The theme or message of the story, what should children learn? Target audience has been filled in for you, so this one's aimed at 2 to 6 year olds, toddlers or prep age students due to the nature of its bright colours, animals as characters. It's quite a simple storyline. It uses repetitive language, rhyme and rhythm, and it teaches us a lesson. And that lesson's about counting, recognizing colours, recognizing animals and their noises. When we analyse, we're also having a look at the written features. So there are language features. I've listed the devices that you're going to go and look for there. So alliteration, repetition, rhyme, rhythm, onomatopoeia. You need to provide an example of each of those devices, and you need to tell me why the author has used that particular device. What's the purpose of it? Lastly, we're going to consider the visual elements. So how do the bright light colours help to create mood, and what mood has been created by this particular picture book? Once you've completed your retrieval chart in its entirety, you need to save your work and upload it to the submission box in Moodle.